So Olinda Chapo has warned people not to take pictures of your kids. This is not the first time Olinda is saying this, but I'm sure excitement yakangoitika here over the weekend because my pictures ananandi were all over social media. From Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, they were all over. Vanhu vakakanganwa kuti Olinda haadi nevana vake. Let me just read what she posted. And the dear content creators or influencers, when you meet my girls out during their activities, please may I kindly request that you do not take pictures or videos of them. Their father is their celebrity and not them. Take as many pictures as he permits of him, not my children. The fact that I had to pop my head out and ask you to delete those pictures should have been a very huge red flag. Considering you are mothers too and you are not out there taking pictures or videos of your children as content, please learn etiquette and ethics. The only people allowed to take pictures, videos, or content are the parents, full stop. The last time I checked, my fleet of lawyers remain on 24-hour retainers. I'll let the dogs out. I don't play when it comes to my children. I know your name, I know where you live, and I'll find you. Thank you for what I do consider basic human understanding. Handofunga vanhu vakadeletiswa mapictures because I once came here with a video yemunhu akadeletiswa pictures na Olinda zvikanzi please delete those pictures and angasambonyanyotaura zvake zvakanyanyoshata papicture iroro, but Olinda abva atongoti please delete. Either uri kuposta chakanaka kana kuti uri kuposta zvakashata, either uri kuita sei. Olinda doesn't want her kids to be out there, but manje zvinonetsa kuti it was like a party, it was a birthday party, it was inevitable kuti vanhu vasatore vana mapictures. Ndo zvanga zvitongoripo kuti kana pari pa-birthday party, people are so excited, they take pictures and they post on their social media platforms. Manje ndo zvikurambwa naOlinda kuti vanhu musapostai vana venyu, musaposte vangu, musatore mapictures. Either mawaona pai, torai baba wacho ndo celebrity. Isusu hatisi ma-celebrities, but na baba wacho you can do whatever. Ipapo pekuzonzi baba wacho ndo celebrity, baba stana achiri celebrity here, utoti unomiswa utonzi ndoda kutora picture naStana, ameno ipapo zvangu. But anyway, hanzi na rich aunt, baba wacho torai mapictures not vana. Asi vanhu simba rekuposta vana vevanhu munoriwana kupi chaizvo. Ngatiitei maboundaries. We must learn to respect other people's boundaries, not with kids. Please stop this thing of wanting to be mapaparazzi pasingadiwe kuita mapaparazzi. Vamwe ndo vari kuti hey ana Beyonce anongosiya vanawo wana nana Beyonce. Olinda is Olinda, Beyonce is Beyonce. Hanzi dai vanga vari ma-celebrities, vamwe havatombona mabasa nazvo, whatever, ana Rihanna vanongopostwa, wana ana Nhingi vanongopostwa. It's them, but Olinda ari kuti I don't like that. Please stay away from my kids. Musaite content nevana vangu. Aivatera vanhu vese, and my pictures acho from Sunday, they were just all over the internet. Aitera munhu wese oti delete, otherwise I'm coming for you. But vanhu vangu vari kupati vacho ivavoka, they are close to her, not to her, but my friends at Dion. I don't know what was happening there, but anyway, they are in their circle. My circles are now. Otherwise, isusu general people, I don't think we have the audacity yekuti we post my pictures evana vavo pa social media. Tishiti chiyo, what was the caption? Andikaona hangu my pictures are from the birthday party that happened over the weekend. Ndo andikaona. Ameno kana paine mamwe my pictures angaripo pa internet. Amenoti ari kutaura ndiani pamwe it's someone else waari kutaura. But anyway, I saw people deleting my pictures, vachinzi vadeletiswe my pictures na Olinda. So I don't know what you guys think. Neyatangwa na rich and ndoti sure vana should be put per safety. They should not be like kuti kuva vango postwa kudaro.